Blurry vision is a common issue that affects millions worldwide, yet it can range from a minor inconvenience to a symptom of more serious underlying conditions. Whether you're experiencing temporary blurriness due to long hours in front of a screen or you're struggling with it regularly, understanding the causes and exploring natural ways to improve your vision can be beneficial. Blurry vision occurs when your sight becomes unclear, preventing you from seeing objects in sharp detail. The primary causes range from lifestyle factors like prolonged screen time to medical conditions, such as refractive errors and other eye-related diseases. Refractive errors are one of the most prevalent causes of blurry vision. Eye strain, also known as digital eye strain, is a common condition that can lead to temporary blurry vision. According to the American Optometric Association, digital eye strain affects nearly 60% of Americans. Dry eye syndrome, a condition where your eyes fail to produce enough tears or maintain a stable tear film, can lead to blurry vision. Infections often cause inflammation, leading to redness, irritation, and blurred vision. Medical conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, and even migraines can lead to episodes of blurry vision. Certain risk factors increase the likelihood of experiencing blurry vision. Age-related vision decline often develops after age 40. Regular eye exercises can be beneficial for improving eye muscle flexibility and reducing eye strain. Diet is closely linked to eye health. Ensuring that you drink enough water throughout the day can help maintain moisture in your eyes and reduce discomfort. If your daily routine involves long hours of screen use, consider limiting screen exposure whenever possible. Your eyes work hard all day, and just like the rest of your body, they need rest. Wearing protective eyewear is crucial. If lifestyle changes and natural methods don't seem to improve your blurry vision, it may be time to consult an eye care professional. Regular visits to an optometrist or ophthalmologist can help catch vision issues early and prevent more severe problems. Implementing healthy habits in your daily life can greatly impact your eye health.